Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll explore 3 simple methods to determine whether someone has blocked you on Facebook. Whether you're curious or just want to know for sure, let's dive into the details. Method 1, using Facebook search. Step 1, open Facebook. If you're on mobile, tap the Facebook app icon, the white F on a blue background. Log in if you haven't already. Step 2, access the search bar, enter the person's name, type the name of the person you suspect has blocked you, tap See Results for name. Step 3, check the results. Look for the person's profile in the search results. If you see their name and profile picture, they haven't blocked you. If you don't see their profile, they may have blocked you or deleted their account. Method 2, using a mutual friends list. Step 1, visit a friend's profile. Go to a friend's profile who is currently friends with the person you suspect blocked you. You can search for your friend's name and select their profile image. Step 2, navigate to the Friends tab. It's below the grid of photos near the top of their profile. Step 3, search for the person. Tap or click the Search Friends bar, enter the person's name. Step 4, interpret the results. If you see the person's name and profile picture, they haven't blocked you. If not, they may have blocked you or deleted their account.